Alright, there's another eastbound coming off the old main. Track 3, old main. 3409.
He's on the main medium approach. Ain't done it, 3409.
N789-17. Okay. I was figuring it might be a coal drag. I was about 99% sure it might be a coal. I mean, this train pad point works around 3:30, 4 o'clock. Cause it takes about, I would have it 2 hours. So I think around 4-ish. It's 6:13 now. Yeah, so give it take an hour and a half, 2 hours. Give it take about a minute. It depends how fast you're going. Now I did hear my scanner of Q371, but I don't know if it's at to my left or is that just up on the right. I'm not too sure. So I'm 50-50 on that one right now. Okay. There was no expecting that. Yeah. Alright, so I don't know which way you're gonna go because it's a highway truck with still. Alright, see you guys on the next one.